Many tourists still think that Benidorm in winter is quiet, empty, with no life at all. That's the expectation, but that's not really what happens. Today we are in Benidorm town to show you the reality in winter. We're located at the Benidorm Christmas Square, and as you can see, this is the reality. This is the evening time in December in Benidorm. Plenty of people, absolutely full square, families with kids. People of different ages are enjoying the live performance on the stage right here at the Christmas Square. The ice skating rink is open, all the attractions and entertainment for people of all ages is available for you out here, which means that there's quite a lot of fun happening in Benidorm. Honestly, it is true that people imagine empty streets. They think it's going to be cold, it's going to be cloudy. They think a lot of places will be closed, and they expect Benidorm to basically not shut down in winter completely, but slightly fall asleep, let's say it like this. And honestly, I understand why people think this, but it is not entirely true at all. This is the reality. This is what's happening in Benidorm right now. This is the typical December month in our town. Plenty of people on the streets enjoying everything that our town has to offer. Apart from all the Christmas celebrations and musicals and concerts and live music and Christmas fairs and markets and so many beautiful Christmas lights, there's plenty of things that you can do out here. People who are not usually arriving here in winter typically compare Benidorm in winter with Benidorm in summer. Obviously, in summer, it is very hot. Beach areas are packed, and it feels like everyone are at the beach, which is technically true. By now, people have seen plenty of videos of Benidorm on YouTube, but some of them still do see only videos from summer periods or slightly busier periods of the year. And they feel like in winter, maybe some of the areas that have been filmed, such as Rincon de Loige, that look way more empty now, or Poniente Beach, in the evening that looks absolutely desert, as we've seen it in the yesterday's video. If you didn't check it out, check it out. So people just get a wrong impression about the town, and many tourists continue to knowing only one or just a couple of parts of the city and not entire city either. Benidorm is a big city, but most people only know Rincon de Loige, Levante Beach, Old Town, maximum. Some people have not even been to this side of town, especially in winter. They've not visited the traditional city area where the Christmas house is located. They've not been to the Poniente Beach or many other parts. And the reality is this one. It is exactly what you see right now. The city is working full speed. It is the busiest winter that we've had in decades. All the shops are open. There might be a few that are closed, but these shops are the ones that's been working a whole year, and they just close traditionally for a few days for Christmas celebrations, but they will be back on in no time. Restaurants are extremely busy. Right now, in just 5 days, it is Christmas already, and a lot of the restaurants that do special Christmas meals or dinners or lunches, they have a set menu for these days, something slightly more special, something slightly more elaborated, and a lot of the places are already fully booked for Christmas and for New Year's meals. We know some of our subscribers who tried to book a table for one of these celebrations in the month of November, and they were told they're fully booked. That is the reality. And you can see that the town looks incredibly lovely. It looks gorgeous. It looks busy. It looks vivid, loud. There's plenty of people everywhere we go. And there's movement in almost all the town, especially in certain areas. For example, right here by the city center and traditional Old Town. That is the heart, the mecca of Benidorm in December. That's where all the Christmas decorations are at. That's where all the shops are open. That's where there's plenty of people that are going shopping. All the cafeterias, restaurants, bars, everything is waiting for you out here. And this is the nicest part of Benidorm, probably in winter due to all the Christmas lights. Levante Beach is not decorated for Christmas at all, with an exception of a Christmas tree at the beginning in Rincon de Loix. There is also one small Christmas tree on the Poniente Beach that you've seen yesterday. Natural Christmas tree made of teeny tiny Christmas trees. And this part is the most beautiful one, and it's also the busiest here in town. Benidorm doesn't lose life in winter. It just changes pace. In a kind, it's different. It is probably not suitable for all types of tourists. Those who don't like crowds, like intense crowds, we're speaking absolutely packed to the max. People who want long stays in winter with better weather. Digital nomads, retired people, families looking for calm and quieter holidays. This is perfect. And actually, for many people, winter is the best time to arrive here on holidays. We know a lot of our subscribers who arrive here on holidays in November, December, and stay up until January or February months. And they prefer it this way. For whom it's not probably the best time to travel in December. For those who expect summer vibes, those who want heat or more than 20 degrees, those who expect to be on the sunshine and on the beach all day, no, not the best time. Until November, yes, and starting from May month, yes as well, but not right now, not in winter. If you want parties everywhere, also probably not the best case scenario, because there is parties, yes, but they're not everywhere because a lot of the places have closed down for winter now, and only a few out of, let's say, 100, maybe 50 are open. The rest are closed. So it's basically half and half. If you want everything open 24/7, also probably not the best time. In summer, the entire town expand timetables and schedules, and they're open longer. Right now, it's not the case. So you can still find shops open 24/7, but all this movement around the city, it's not going to be 24/7. There's going to be moments of the day when it's going to be very, very empty. So if you expect August, July, in December, you'll obviously be disappointed. You have to be realistic about what Benidorm is in different points of the year. But I'm glad that way more people now are way more conscious. People are seeing way more videos about Benidorm. And here on our channel too, you know that we always give you a up-to-date recent information and the reality of what the city is, so that you could have realistic expectations, so you could plan accordingly, and so that you would be able to actually enjoy your holidays wherever it is you're coming to Benidorm town. As you can see, we are already by the main shopping alleys here in the town. Typical places that sell pizza slices. How much does it cost still? $2.70. They've increased the price a little bit. There's crepes, there's waffles, there's churros, there's hot dogs. There's so many different types of foods and snacks out here. By the way, these pizzas are actually very, very good. We've been here quite a few times, and we're doing them out here directly in front of your eyes. Absolutely stunning. And we are on the street of the street. It's called Paseo de la Carretera. And this is the direct way towards the old town. Incredible area, as you can see, really, really vivid. A lot of Christmas lights, absolutely lovely, pleasant place to be. And Benidorm isn't dead. It's not empty. It's just different in winter time. Plenty of people everywhere we go, especially here in the old town, traditional shopping alleys. People are just moving elsewhere. Don't expect a busy beach line because it's not going to be happening. It's not so hot anymore right now. which doesn't mean you cannot go to the beach, because there's lifeguards here whole year long. So you are able to go to the beach even for a swim if you wish. But people are just elsewhere. Rincon de Loix will be way less busy. Trust me, it's going to be almost empty. That is why a lot of hotels on the upper Rincon de Loix specifically are closing down, because people are moving closer to the sea and closer to the old town for the winter. That's where the vast majority of services are concentrating. That's where people will be at least right now, up until probably March. That's when all the stag parties, Hindus will start to arrive. That's when families will start to arrive for Easter holidays, and it's going to be the beginning of a new summer season. But up until then, this is the peak part of the town. This is the most important part of the city. Plenty of heaters out here to make it nice and warm and cozy to stay on the numerous terraces that are here in Benidorm. Where else could you just sit down on the terrace and sip on some cocktail at the end of December, just a couple of days before Christmas? By the way, it is also very, very vivid because there's Christmas dinners. Not sure if in your country where you're from it is popular, but here in Benidorm, starting from the end of November and up until Christmas, there's company dinners. People from the same company are gathering up together in different restaurants, bars, lounges, and they're just having some Christmas dinner together, celebrating. Some of them are bringing gifts like Secret Santa. Others are just having like a Christmas dinner and getting the whole entire space even for themselves, or booking several tables in a row. This is very, very popular here, and there's quite a lot of people right now on Christmas dinners, which is why it is also so vivid. Thank you for accompanying us in today's video. Let us know if you would visit Benidorm in winter or you prefer summertime. But it's definitely not dead. It's not empty. It's just a slightly different form of holidays in Benidorm in winter.